is a lot better than animal protein because soy protein, it doesn't give any burden to our kidneys. The American Kidney Association, they recommend all the diabetics to use soy protein instead of animal protein. Soy protein, from an immunological point of view, it's also better than the animal protein because it doesn't cause allergic reactions. Once we use animal protein, then inside our body will transfer it into sulfuric acid, which is very detrimental for our immune system. Not only that, coming from animal protein, we cannot digest it all. As a human being, you are only able to absorb and digest about 50% of animal protein. The other 50%, it tends to cause allergies later on in life. This is the reason why children growing up with cow's milk usually grow up with more allergies comparing to children growing up with soy milk. So there are different types of proteins. Plant protein, our body will be able to assimilate it and our body will be able to absorb it a lot better. There is also one other reason. It is because animal product also contains a lot of things such as animal hormone. It also contains cholesterol inside, whereas plant, it doesn't contain any of that. Soy also contains the phytochemical genistein. In fact, according to research, every single day, as long as we're able to consume 30 grams of soy, we will be able to prevent heart disease up to 28%. So we want to absorb protein coming from soy or coming from plant sources. Usually, we would say, but drinking milk is supposed to be very healthy. Well, drinking milk, you're also drinking cholesterol, fat, calories. Not only that, it also causes a loss of calcium. Why? Well, calcium, osteoporosis, it is related to the amount of animal protein that you are taking. If every single day you consume more than 50 grams of animal protein, even if you supplement over 1,000 milligrams of calcium, you are still going to get osteoporosis. Why? Because there is a loss of calcium in your urine. But on the other hand, you can consume over 100 grams of soy protein, and you are not going to find that there is a loss of calcium in your urine at all. So, soy protein will prevent osteoporosis, whereas animal protein contribute to osteoporosis. Yes.